So the topic that we are doing is modal verbum preteritum. Preteritum means past tense, like conton. Can you tell me some other conton? Muston,
Houston.
Dufton, very good. Walton, etc. Okay. So conton means could, Muston means had to, Dufton means were allowed, were allowed, and Walton means wanted. Is that clear this much, or any doubt? Hmm? Tell me. This is just a small revision for you. Modal verb preteritum. Now I will speak sentences and you will reply me in correct German. Like I could play well when I was 16. Tell me. I could play well when I was 16 years old.
Sir,
Yes,
mid 16 contain which could spell it.
very good. You can also use mit. Very good. Mit 16
Mid 16
Cont-
contain it could spell.
gut spielen. So this is infinitive. You know, with modal verb we use the infinitive, whether present tense or past tense. Or another sentence formation is also that you have done. Ich konnte.
Gut spielen als
Yes,
ich
als ich 16 war. So meaning is same. You can use als or you can use mit. Both indicates your age, time framework, age.
Ashish when I was 16.
Yes, correct. Next sentence. Read the sentence very carefully. My friend wanted to dance when he was 10. Answer. Mein Freund
wollte tanzen
wollte.
als er 10 war.
Yes, wollte tanzen, verb infinitive.
I was 16.
Als er 10 war. All right. Or you can also say with mit. Mein Freund wollte tanzen. No, mit 10. Mit 10. There is only single sentence. You can say with mit one single sentence. Mit 10 wollte mein Freund tanzen. That is another way. Next, I was not allowed to go in the party. Only this much. I was not allowed to go in the party. I was not allowed. So here the modal verb is not allowed. What is that correct modal verb? Not allowed. For permission, which modal verb?
Houston.
Yes. So sentence would ich durfte nicht in die Party gehen.
Ich durfte nicht party.
Klar? So durfte means allowed. Not
Again,
gehen, to go. It's normal infinitive verb. Infinitive. Gehen means to go. Clear?
Yes.
Now, little longer sentence. I had very less time in the school days. I could not meet my friends. Yes. I had. So this is normal verb, huh? Haben. Past tense of haben. I had very less time. Had. Remember had, huh? Not had to. This is had. So had is hatte. Ich hatte sehr wenig Zeit in der Schulzeit. Schulzeit means school days. Okay, next line. Who will say? I could not meet my friends. Could.
Ich konnte nicht treffen.
Yes, ich konnte
Ich konnte
meine,
nicht
meine Freunde
meine
nicht treffen.
treffen.
Okay, look at the structure. Modal verb second place, infinitive am Ende. Last place, infinitive is treffen. Klar?
So can we use nicht viele Zeit? Not in the first.
Ich hatte sehr wenig Zeit, very less time. Not much. I am not saying not much. I am saying very less. If I say not much, then nicht viel.
Okay, sir.
Is this klar?